In this section, we will learn more about the body. One of the key HTML elements we use to build a web page is the body element. Only content inside the opening and closing body tags can be displayed to the screen. Here is what opening and closing body tags look like. You have an opening tag, body tag in this case, and you have a closing body tag with the /. Once the file has a body, many different types of content, including text, images, and buttons, can be added to the body. So everything that we want to be seen on the page needs to be between the body tags. Instructions: add a body to your web page using the body element. Okay, let's go ahead and create our body tag. So you remember the left angle bracket for opening tag, body. Now type the closing body tag with the /. Okay. Let's click run. It's good. The next task is to add the following code between your opening and closing body tags. It's a paragraph tag with some content inside. You remember, the content is located between opening tag and closing tag. Copy. Or let's do it like this. Don't copy everything. You need to build your muscle memory. Create a paragraph tag. So once again, opening tag and closing tag. And now copy the text, the content between those tags, paragraph tags. And now click run, and on the right side we should see our text. Yeah, we did the exercise. Okay, everything looks fine. Let's continue to the next one.